In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default calendar in Google Calendar. This is a handy skill if you often work with multiple calendars and need to streamline your scheduling process. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your Google account. You can check this by looking at the top right corner of the page. There should be your profile icon or initial. If you're not signed in, click there and enter the necessary credentials to access your account. Now with your account open, let's move to Google Calendar. To do that, click on the grid or apps icon, also located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, you'll see a list of Google services and one of them should be Calendar. Click on it and you'll be directed to your Google Calendar. Once you're inside your calendar, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. There you'll find your various calendars listed under My Calendars. If you have multiple calendars and want to change which one is set as default, this is your starting point. Identify the calendar that you wish to make your default calendar from this list. Next, hover over the calendar you want to set as default. You will see 3 vertical dots appear to the right of its name. Click on these dots to open a menu with several options. From the menu, select Settings and Sharing. Now you're in the settings interface for your selected calendar. You'll want to scroll through these settings until you find the section labeled Integrate Calendar. In this section, you can find various calendar details, including its ID, which you'll need for more advanced integrations. But for our purpose, we're just confirming this is the calendar you wish to set as your standard. While you might have expected an option to simply click Set as Default, Google Calendar doesn't feature this directly. Instead, changing the default calendar is usually a matter of organizing which calendar is primary on your list and making sure your new events align with your most used calendar. This involves consistent use and perhaps nudging settings in other integrated services like on mobile apps to default to this calendar. Now, having gone through these steps, you're all set. You can create events in your Google Calendar, knowing you've oriented it smoothly to align with your most preferred calendar. It might not be an overt one-click change, but with consistent use, your main calendar will effectively become your default. That's how you can adapt your Google Calendar to better suit your needs. Remember, practice makes perfect, and as you interact more with your calendars, your default preferences will begin to set in naturally. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your scheduling process.